Hi, I'm Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles, and today I would love to share with you a dramatic facial rejuvenation procedure on a 65-year-old male. I'm fortunate enough to have a great practice where we do a lot of cases, and many of those patients fly in for surgery even from other countries. This particular gentleman flew in from Russia. His daughter spoke English, but he did not. And one of the cute things about this case, planning on doing a lot of procedures, is that his daughter created a tape on our anesthesiologist's phone that said in Russian, "Daddy, the surgery went really well. Go ahead and open your eyes and take a deep breath." And at the end of the operation, which I'll tell you about in a moment, the anesthesiologist played that recording as though she was saying it, but in Russian. And before he even opened his eyes, he got this big smile on his face as he heard his daughter's voice, and he knew everything was going to be fine. And in fact, it was better than fine. So this is what we did. We did my traceless pan-facial rejuvenation using the traceless face and neck lift operation. We did a chin implant. We did a excision of a traumatic scar he had on the right side of his chin. We did upper eyelid surgery, very deep laser, and we did a rhinoplasty. All of that combined had a profound effect on him. Now, he said he was here for some time until he was fully recovered. There was nobody in his part of Russia to do Botox and fillers on him, so he wanted to have as much rejuvenation surgically as he could at this time, and that's what we did. And check out the profound improvements we've got. Even while he's still healing and still going to tighten up further, you notice that the wrinkles under his eyes are just evaporated. The deep lines on his forehead are at least 50% improved. His nose is no longer bulbous. He's got a much stronger jawline now. The deep scar that he had on his right chin is totally gone as well. All of the neck laxity and the platysmal bands underneath his chin, those have been all removed entirely as well. His eyes are bright. You can see his eyes. You can see that he has nice looking eyes because he doesn't have that hooding over the upper eyelids that was blocking light from getting in there. He was elated by these results, I know, through his daughter interpreting for him. It made a really big difference for him, and I can tell you, despite us doing so much on him, it can be kind of hard to recover from that. He was tough. He didn't complain one bit, and every time he looked in the mirror, he could not believe his eyes. He was so pleased to be going back to Russia with his 3-week adventure in Los Angeles, and the dramatic improvements I was able to give him. With our pan-facial rejuvenation using our signature traceless face and neck lift procedures, and a whole lot more. This is Dr. David Stoker, board-certified plastic surgeon in Los Angeles, discussing fly-in patients from other countries seeking pan-facial rejuvenation.